What's up guys, this is Ray back with another video, so let's get started. So, the original Galaxy Fold was revealed at Mobile World Congress 2019, followed by a fixed model at Berlin Consumer Electronics Show IFA in 2019. The second generation was then revealed in September 2020, so there isn't a pattern for the Galaxy Z Fold as there is with Samsung's other devices, like the Galaxy S and Galaxy Note. According to rumors, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 could appear in June 2021. While at first this may seem a little strange, Mobile World Congress is scheduled to start on 28 June 2021, making it entirely possible. The price is expected to stay the same, that was £1,800 and $2,000. In terms of design, we are expecting the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 to adopt the same book style vertical fold as the original Galaxy Fold and Galaxy Z Fold 2, reserving the horizontal fold for the Galaxy Z Flip series only. The hinge is expected to stay the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 2 already had a very nice and strong hinge. There have been more rumors to suggest the device will be compatible with the S Pen, which if true would presumably see a slot built into the device like the Note. S Pen compatibility rumors surfaced before the Galaxy Z Fold 2 was revealed too, however, but it was thought the folding display couldn't accommodate the pressure the stylus would exert. There was a lot of talk of waterproofing before the Z Fold 2 arrived, so perhaps we will see an IP rating on the Z Fold 3, which would be very appreciated. Otherwise, we expect a solid build with some refinements over the 2020 model. In the display area, we are expecting to see a 7.6-inch main display that has a 120Hz refresh rate coupled with a 6.2-inch exterior display. There is a punch hole camera on the front, though there have been a couple of rumors indicating the Z Fold 3 may have an under display camera, which might allow for a larger external display than the Z Fold 2. It's also claimed the main display will be 7.55 inches instead of 7.59 inches, and the cover display will be 6.21 inches instead of 6.23 inches. So, in the hardware side of things, expect flagship hardware under the hood of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. No rumors have suggested what exact specs we might see on the Z Fold 3, but we suspect the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 will be under the hood, along with a good amount of RAM, probably at least 12GB, and at least 256GB of storage. There's no word on battery capacity as yet, but the Z Fold 2 has a 4500 mAh battery, so we would expect almost the same or possibly a larger battery capacity. In terms of connectivity, both the original Fold and the Z Fold 2 were 5G enabled, so we would expect the same for the Z Fold 3. Probably we can also expect a faster 5G chip. So in the camera department, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 has a triple rear camera and a dual punch hole front camera. The rear camera is made up of a 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel telephoto sensor, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. The front cameras are both 10 megapixel sensors. It is not known yet what the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will offer in the camera department, but as mentioned previously, a report has suggested Samsung is hoping to offer an under display camera. We expect to know more about the cameras and features offered when the Galaxy S21 launches. So that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any suggestions whatsoever, please feel free to drop them in the comments box below.